welcome back to my channel. Today I have a slime that I made, and I'm sorry if you can't hear me because I'm trying to be quiet. So, this is my slime. This is sticky tack slime, and I made it with sticky tack. Sorry, this one. Sticky tack and dish soap or hand soap or whatever like kind of soap. And then I make, but what you want to do first is you want to stretch out the sticky tack first. Then you stretch it out as far as you want it, because then it makes the slime stretchy when you actually make it. Then you just dip it in you get a bowl, you put the soap in the bowl, and you put this in there, and then you move it around and then you take it out, then stretch it, and then as it gets in there, it'll get stretchy and less sticky. So that's how to make this type of slime. 2 ingredients. All you need is sticky tack and dish soap. So if you guys like this type of slime, comment down below what I should do in my next video. And that's how you make this type of slime. Peace out.